Hello guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fly this Tello drone here, and I'm actually flying it in a low light. And you'd be surprised what this Tello drone can do. I mean, look at it. You know, this is almost pitch black, and it's also extreme wind, flying it at night, and you could say pretty much getting closer to midnight.
Low light and extreme wind.
It's really low light where I'm at, and the only thing that I have a light on is actually the full moon. And flying this small object, I'm just so surprised how it hovers. I mean, it doesn't even need GPS. I mean, it's just using the bottom sensing.
He's still able to fly.
And with this condition, it's very impressive. And here you go, I'm still flying it.
About 3%.
And just trying to see how this thing hovers.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and
it can still give a good video. So, I mean, it's really interesting. So, yeah. And it's gonna surprise you what this thing can really do. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in a sport mode for you guys, so you guys can go check it out how this guy really perform in an extreme wind and really low light. And
go here.
See what this guy can do. And here you go.
Let me see if I can. Yeah, it's already dark, but he can still take pictures and video. Now let's go ahead and do a fast mode. And he's still able to come back. Woo! And extreme wind. Now you guys can see. And he's still able to come back. See that, guys? Wow.
Anyway guys, I make like a little spectrum over here, and you can see the Hero 7 camera. In your left is the Tello camera. And you can see the difference, and you can see from different lighting, the Hero 7 camera on this one here, and you can see the Tello in your left. Look at the, I mean, you know, the colors, you can see a little bit difference, but man, for $100, you know, I can't beat it. I mean, look at what it can do. I mean, this is a raw footage, guys, and I know you guys out there probably do like good at editing and make it more better and make it look better or more crispy look, but hey, you know, and look at what these two cameras can do. And of course, $100 comparing it to Hero 7 with a big sensor, and you can see, I mean, it's awesome. Anyway guys, I'm just going ahead and showing it to you and what you guys think of the Tello. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.